Hey everyone, I'm Mike Kai,
I'm Carrie Kai.
and welcome to a new edition of Cooking with Kai. Today is our Christmas edition, right, Carrie?
Sure is.
And it features Alvin and the Chipmunks.
Who doesn't love Alvin and the Chipmunks?
Really, seriously, when you were little, did you listen to the Chipmunks? And maybe you still do. Maybe,
Sure.
I don't know. They were very popular back in the day, so that's
Santa!
Santa's here. No, it's actually just, we stole these from the Santa at the mall. And
Roll with Santa.
yeah, so, but anyway, we hope you're all doing well. And Carrie, what do we have today?
We have some Christmas fudge, Michael.
Fudge, and this isn't any old fudge. This is keto fudge, so there's no sugar in it. And what we start out with is a bag of chocolate chips, semi-sweet morsels. How many of you got into how many of you ate these when your mom wasn't looking and she was saving them, the Nestle's chocolate chips? Up in the cupboard when your mom went to make chocolate chip cookies, they were half eaten or gone altogether. My brother got in trouble for that too, but he always blamed me, so you start out with a cup of chocolate chips. And you know what? We're not going to be able to show you this recipe today because they're gone.
They're gone!
Yeah, but no, we're kidding. We're kidding. There's a cup of chocolate chips. So you start out with, first of all, we want to say Merry Christmas to everybody.
Merry Christmas.
We
Merry Christmas.
hope you and your family have a blessed Christmas
Yeah.
and that everybody is healthy. And if they're not healthy, pray for them and hope they get better. So you start out with a 12-pack of Miller Lite.
No!
Or bourbon, or wine, whatever, cognac, single malt scotch. Tom Travis might like that.
Deers.
Not to name any names, one of our top fans, Ann Cheryl. But, so before we start name dropping here, you get a heavy whipping cream, a cup of that, in a pan, not the one your mom hit you with that has a dent in it from, and you wear it like a hat. No, that's New Year's, right? New Year's when you go outside at midnight. That was what we did in Parma. We didn't have enough money for fireworks or, or anything.
We just made noise.
Except if you were Mr. Johnstone and you had your 22, you'd go out there and fire off a couple rounds.
Yeah. Yep.
You know, that's before they call the police on you, though. Now the police won't come. No, I'm kidding. The police. We love the police.
We love the police.
And we love Mr. Johnstone. He was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
But anyway, back to Christmas. So you get a pot and you put a cup of heavy whipping cream in the pot. You put a little bit of vanilla extract, some stevia, and some butter. A little bit of butter, and you stir that. Right, Carrie? Show us how you... Carrie will demonstrate.
You stir the pot like Michael does at work.
That's right. Yes, we stir the pot. Yeah, exactly. So then I lost track of where we were at.
Chocolate chips.
Oh, 15 minutes you stir that thing.
Yeah.
Put a timer on or something, or play some Chipmunks, whatever you like.
It's a good workout.
And it is a good workout. And so then that reduces the heavy whipping cream down to a thicker mixture. So the butter, the vanilla extract, that all reduces, and you don't have to use evaporated milk or condensed milk, which has sugar in it. So any of you caught dozing off in the back of the room, you'll be getting a demerit. So 15 minutes of that stirring over low heat, and then you add the cup of chocolate chips.
Yeah.
Right, and so you stir that in, let it cool, pour it into a dish. Use some of the wax paper from the butter. And remember how your mom used to do that? She used to wipe the inside of a casserole dish or something to keep things from sticking. At least my mom did that. And then, you pour the fudge mixture in there. You don't offer the spoon to anybody else. Lick it yourself. If you made it, you can, have the spoon, right?
Definitely, yes.
Right. And then you put it in the fridge. And 5 minutes later, you take it out, and it's still not hardened, but you can't wait, so you're going to eat it anyway. And
so you dip cookies in it?
Yeah, exactly. So don't leave any fork marks, though. Somebody will know you were in there. Use a knife. So that's it. Oh, and everybody, we've got gifts for all of you. We're going to send out a gift to each and every one of you, except problem is the only thing we've gotten so far is the wrapping paper. So it might be next year. Don't hold your breath.
Don't hold your breath.
Yeah,
Seriously.
because
Don't hold your
we're
breath.
up to like 4 subscribers, right, Carrie?
Yeah. And we owe each and every one of you.
Yes. We know you by name too.
Yeah, we sure do.
And, so it's pretty easy. You can only have to keep track of 4.
Yeah.
So anyway, I'm done yapping. I never give Carrie enough chance to talk. So would you like to say anything?
No, thank you.
No, she's all done.
I'm good. I like to listen.
That's okay. Well, there you have it. Well, we hope you have a great Christmas and a happy 2022. And we're going to sign off. So I'm Mike Kai.
I'm Carrie Kai.
We'll talk to you later. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.